Using the built-in GitHub integration and two-way sync, you can easily connect your Base44 app to GitHub for version control, local development, and collaboration. Once you are ready to connect your app, select the GitHub icon in the top right of the builder and click Connect to GitHub to initiate the connection. Keep in mind that this connection will be permanent and cannot be removed. Select Connect GitHub when you are ready. The GitHub OAuth window will appear and allow you to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Select Authorize Base44 Builder to continue. Then choose whether you want to add the Base44 Builder to all repositories or only select repositories, where you can specify which repositories on your account you want to connect. Click Install, then name your new repository to create it and finalize the connection. Once connected, you can access your repository directly from the GitHub icon in the builder. Now to test the connection, let's go back to our app and make a change. Let's say I want to change the menu item List Property to just List. I'll go to the chat and type change the menu item from List Property to List. The agent will make the change and then we can verify it in GitHub. Open the repository and check the commits. We can see the latest commit was done by the Base44 builder. When we click in, we'll see the change. The red shows what it was previously, List Property. The green shows the new changes, List. We can also sync changes in the other direction. If we make a small change to the code directly in GitHub, it will automatically update in the Base44 builder. For example, we'll go to the layout.jsx file, switch to edit mode, and change the menu item from List back to List Property. Then click Commit Changes in the top right. Once you commit, go back to the Base44 builder and you'll see the Syncing GitHub Changes message in the chat. The builder will refresh and you'll see the sync changes reflected in your app. Now keep in mind, editing code directly in GitHub isn't best practice. I'm doing this just to demonstrate the connection. For small edits, this may be fine, but for larger changes, you'll typically sync your Base44 project to GitHub, use that repository to set up your local environment, and edit code in your preferred IDE. For more details on how to set this up, head to docs.base44.com, navigate to the Developers tab, go down to App Code, and under Local Development, you'll see GitHub Integration. There, you'll find more information on syncing your app, along with steps for setting up your local development environment and how to sync any local changes back to Base44. So, what are we building?